Okay, I'm pretty excited about this one. Been writing it for a while, gathering the evidence. Let's go. 40 tips to help you succeed on Twitch going into 2021. I'm going to rapid fire these so that I don't waste your time. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments and we'll see if we can do a video on them or if I can respond there. Stop breathing into your mic. It's creepy. Watch other streamers. Success leaves clues. Look at what they do and how they do it. What is so great about their channel? What makes them stand out above the rest? And learn from it. Don't go in there with envy. Go in there and encourage them, encourage their success, celebrate their success. And when you learn to celebrate other people's success, you'd be surprised at what happens within you to improve yourself, to improve your stream, and to make sure that you don't go in there with the victim mentality of they made it because they're beautiful, they're pretty, or that guy's good looking. No. You're not a victim, you're a champion. Upgrade your audio first and sound sexy. Have a camera. You are beautiful, even if that fat bully tells you otherwise. Smile more, you'll look more confident. Look into the camera more, you'll build a connection with your viewers. Create a schedule and stick to it and stay consistent. Get a chatbot, it'll help you when unnecessary people enter the chat. Express your inner thoughts while you're streaming. Speak about what's happening, when it's happening, and your reaction. That'll help you to talk more while you're streaming and remain entertaining. Don't ignore the chat. I don't know why people even do that. Like, why are you streaming then? Set up a channel trailer for when you're offline. You'll be surprised how many people check out your channel, and hey, you can't be online 24/7. Knight yourself some moderators and enhance their abilities and grant them the wish of the mighty banning tool. Trust me, you're going to need it as you grow. Title your streams for success. Make it something catchy. You never know who's scrolling and looking for someone to watch. Don't neglect your about section. One of the first places people go when checking out your stream is about. They want to know who you are. They want to know who they're following. They want a why to follow you. Why should I follow you? So consider that when writing your about. Who are you? What do you stand for? Don't spend money on designing your brand until much later when you're more established. Trust me, you're going to want it redesigned multiple times because you're not going to be happy, and eventually you'll reach a state when you know who you are, and at that point when you really know who you are and who you want to be going forward, that's when I suggest that you invest in professional branding. Until then, stick with a nice profile photo that just shows your face with a nice smile. Treat your streaming as a business. You are a brand. In the wise words of Jay-Z, he said, "I'm not a businessman, I'm a businessman." You are a business. Don't waste your time. Time is money. Spend time improving your sound alerts. It makes it more fun for people to follow you. A lot of the times people are going to follow you just to see kind of what you've put into your stream. So consider that. Don't use a follower only chat mode. Trust me, it's off-putting. It makes me want to puke. Be active outside of Twitch. Look into Twitter or YouTube, and hey, use these other social forms as a way to network. Collaborate with other streamers and friends. Following up on that, hey, do you suck at talking or expressing your inner thoughts when starting out? Make sure you then stream with friends or with a lobby of friends that will talk in the background as well. Make sure that you network with genuine authenticity. Don't just self-promote yourself everywhere. Go find places, maybe like Reddit or Facebook groups where people are asking questions, and help them out. Help a brother or a sister out. Answer their questions without trying to get them just to follow you or subscribe to your Twitch channel. Just be a genuinely nice person, and I guess being genuinely nice in a way with other people is a form of networking. Choose the right game, but one that you're going to enjoy. What do I mean by this? Don't go and just dive into an overly saturated game. Go find something that a lot of people are watching, but there's not a lot of people streaming it. On that note, pay attention to trends. Sometimes a game can go free on, say, Epic. So this week, Battlefront 2, it went free on Epic. The views jumped from a few hundred to now 3,000 viewers with very few streaming it. That was a great opportunity. So make sure you pay attention to the trends within your industry and what's happening, and trend surf it. Join a tribe so that you can learn to create a tribe. Go join a Discord server, go join Facebook groups, go find out what's happening in these groups. A lot of the times these questions that people have will be a way for you to learn how to actually relate to more people and to grow an audience. Believe in yourself. No one else will believe in you more than yourself, and that is why it is one of the most important factors. While believing in yourself, make sure that you are yourself. Be yourself, be authentic, be genuine, be who you are. Don't fake who you are. People can see through fakeness. Have a strategy. That is going to be the difference between successful Twitch streamers and unsuccessful Twitch streamers. How do you have a Twitch strategy? Make sure you stick to your schedule and be consistent while doing all of the above of networking, of growing your tribe, growing your audience, and connecting with your viewers. Embrace the process. By far, the process is the most important part, more than the destination. Realize one thing, you're never going to be satisfied with your destination. You're always going to want more. You're always going to want to be more and have more. And you'll never be satisfied until you actually learn to embrace the process and enjoy it. The process forms your identity. The process forms who you are. And that is the most important part, because people want to relate to someone who is developed, who understands who he is, and people want to become who you are in a way. So if you don't know who you are, if you haven't embraced the process and you're just rushing it, you're never really going to be happy, even if you make it. Have realistic expectations and be willing to make sacrifices. Spend time finding your niche and your persona. Find out who you are, who you want to be, what industry you want to go into. There's so many different things you can stream on Twitch. I already have a video on 5 different things you can stream other than gaming, but hunker down on finding out that niche and that group of people that you want to relate to. Hey, ask yourselves a few questions. Who am I? What do I stand for? What do I enjoy? What am I good at? Just take those 4 questions and investigate them, write them down, answer them. Focus on relationship building. Twitch is all about relationship, more than just people coming to watch you. If people wanted to just come and watch you, hey, they just stick on YouTube. But instead, they have decided to take the time to go onto another platform to search you out and to join your stream so that they can have a conversation with you. And a conversation is a dialogue, it's a relationship, it's a back and forth. So make sure you focus on relationship building. But hey, just keep in mind, you can never force a relationship. They just don't work out. Don't follow for follow. It degrades your brand and your value. Don't do it. Have a vision for your channel. Where there is no vision, the people perish. If you don't have a vision for your own channel, you're going to perish. So before you even start live streaming, make sure you have a vision for your channel written down. Where do you want to be one day? Not where do you want to be tomorrow or in a year's time. Just instead, write down the vision of your channel, of who you want to relate to. Keep in mind, people can relate to weakness. Don't try to put on a tough act of arrogance. Instead, be who you are. If you're timid, be timid. People can relate to that. If you're exciting and happy and just bubbly all the time, other bubbly people will find you. You attract who you are. Give your viewers something to belong to. And in this, what I'm saying is start focusing on creating a tribe. What is a tribe? It's a group of people who share the same mindset and almost beliefs in you, and they want to achieve the same thing that you're going after. Don't be a negative streamer. It's draining. Invest in yourself. Read as many books as you can on education, self-development. If you have nothing to give, why would someone watch you? People only want to watch you if you have something to offer them. Big dreams, small seeds. Do not despise small beginnings. Hey, maybe you've got 1 viewer and it's yourself. It's a start. Prepare for your streams. There's the saying that when you fail to prepare, you prepare to fail. Think to yourself, hey, what am I streaming in advance in a few days from now? What do I want to do during that stream? What am I even going to title my stream? Hey, what am I going to wear in my stream? Jocks. Kidding. Trust me, avoid a DMCA strike. Go look at other forms of non-copyright music that you can play in the background. Great forms as just searching on YouTube, NCS playlists, go into Spotify, look at Stream Beats, or even Epidemic Sounds that have copyright music. Alright, a few bonus tips. Excellence is everything. Be excellent. If you can be excellent at a small thing, you can be excellent at a big thing. Don't go half-hearted into your channel. Make sure you give your all. A great definition of excellence is this. The difference between excellence and mediocrity is effort. Put as much effort as you can into your channel. From the small things like the about section, to the links that can link up to your socials, to the about you, to the blocks below your Twitch channel that just tell people about you, what you do. You know, put as much effort into every single bit of your stream. Be extremely intentional, be extremely authentic, be who you are. Don't fake it till you make it. Just be who you are so that you can relate to the people that want to watch you. Eventually you're going to be tired of being fake, and then your viewers are going to see it. So hey guys, there you have it, 40 tips to help you succeed going into 2021 on Twitch. Hope that they helped you. If it added any value, please make sure that you can smash that like button, and hey, if you enjoyed this and want to see other content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and just stay up to date with the latest with Kingdom Gaming. But until next time guys, love you. I want to see you succeed. I know that 2021 is going to be a great year for most of you guys, and hey, I'm believing in you guys, I'm rooting for you guys, and can't wait to see you guys go beyond. Peace.